How's it going? Chris at Young's here today. We're going to be talking about this 2004 BMW R1150 RT, or as you guys more commonly know it, the bike that pulls up behind you quietly in the freeway. These bikes come standard equipped with dual disc front brakes, which is beautiful stopping power. Be careful, you don't want to pick that back wheel up. That nice black and white is a beautiful paint scheme because going down the road you're going to find cars moving right out of your way because no one wants the cops behind them. With beautifully laid crash guards, these bikes can take a beating, so for a new rider or experienced rider that has the occasional accident, you ain't got to worry about touching ground. BMW's also got a shaft drive on these, so instant power delivery to that rear wheel. Comes set up on a single-sided swing arm, so even a roadside tire replacement isn't that hard of a thing to pull off. You can see you've got both side bags and your trunk compartment, giving you tons of space to carry things around on those long trips, and you just can't beat the comfort and back support that you get from them. One of my favorite functions about the BMWs is their windshield though. Whether you're tall or short, it fits what you're looking for, so you can get more or less wind. So this bike here could be yours today at Young's.